Hello everyone! Have a look at me. I'm wearing a finished outfit, which consists of the skirt, vest, and blouse. I'm so happy that I don't need to buy any ready-made patterns. They are not cheap. I would have to buy 3 different patterns. As far as I remember from living in Riga, each pattern costs about 15 euros. My course on how to make a basic pattern will be out very soon. It's almost ready. I'll also make a course on how to make a basic pattern for a skirt. You already know how to change a basic pattern, how to adjust it to different designs, how to draw different lines on it. Those who have different basic patterns can apply the same techniques. Have a look at the vest. It looks just like I wanted it to. It's tiny. Have a close look at these lines. Even though there are buttons here, I don't use them. I prefer to wear such items this way. Such tiny details make me look smaller too. Such vests will look amazing with linen summer dresses. Linen dresses usually look very simple. If you put such vest on, the outfit will look absolutely different. A vest can be made of linen or cotton. I hope that you like this vest. I love it. All of these items are ready. I wanted to have one more look at the item this way. Next, I'll take them off and put them on the table to tell you about everything in detail. I want to take the vest off for you to have a close look at the blouse. I want you to understand that it looks absolutely different when it's stitched, steamed and ironed. I know that my blouse looks pretty simple. There is nothing special in it. Tiny buttons, short sleeves gathered with elastic. Actually, everything is special in this blouse. Accurate darts, perfect sleeves, men's-style yoke, perfect pleats. They make the back of the blouse wider. The slits are also perfect. I made them a bit longer. I wanted to have a look at the way the top part of the blouse fits me. Now you know how to make such an amazing blouse. I wanted to understand that an item made on the basis of a perfect basic pattern would always fit you perfectly. It's very important to make accurate darts. This is the only way to make clothes fit you well. It's also very important for the armholes to be accurate. Yokes made on the basis of a basic pattern also look amazing. Next, I want to take the clothes off to show you their wrong sides and tell about all the details. Here are the vest, the skirt and the blouse. First, I want to tell you about the skirt. I know that it's hard to make a fly front. I think I will make a mini course on how to make it. In the course, I will show you the whole process very thoroughly. You already know how to make such pockets. It's not hard to line the skirt. This is how the skirt looks like from the back. You saw how it fits me. It's up to you whether to make a skirt asymmetric or not. You can make it straight. Or you can make the difference smaller. Use your imagination. I think that the skirt also looks good this way. You can make a straight skirt with asymmetric seam. Anyway, I like the skirt the way it is. Now I can put the skirt aside and move on to the vest. You saw how it looks like on my body. Have a look at the wrong side. The vest is lined with cotton. Have a look at the facing. The shoulders are 3.5 centimeters wide. Such tiny shoulders make the vest look amazing. These lines are almost straight, just like I wanted them to be. Have a look at the back facing. Notice that it's not straight. The lining is made of the same fabric as the blouse. I think I can even wear this vest wrong side up. I showed you how to make this vest very thoroughly. I showed you the magazine in which I saw these amazing designs. Notice that the back neckline is also edged with facing. It's pretty narrow. Trace the details to a piece of tracing paper and draw the lines however you want. Do not forget to add 7mm seam allowance. Make several checkpoints to be able to attach these two details to each other accurately. I already love the vest. I think that the blouse is absolutely amazing. This is not really a blouse, but this is not a shirt either. The yoke is double. It makes the blouse pretty strong. I think that this item looks really good. The sleeves are very nice. Have a close look at the blouse once again. That's all for today. I showed you a series about this outfit. Now you know how to make such skirt, how to make a vest, and how to make such blouse. You also know how to make pockets. I remind you that you can change the design to show you however you like. I just show you techniques. The fact that I made the asymmetric skirt doesn't mean that everyone has to make asymmetric skirts. I want you to learn to use your imagination. You can make anything you want. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.